part of my unicorn baking community. Today we're going to be making sea salt caramel brownies. Yummy! The ingredients we'll need is light caramel Swiss ice cream, simply delicious caramel, a pan, some cooking spray, sea salt caramel chocolate chips, I think, on the brownie mixture, bowl to pour the thing in, a spatula, 1/4 water, 2/3 cup of oil, and 2 eggs. So let's get started. Now that the oven is turned on, we are going to spray the pan. Okay. It smells terrible. Now we're going to add the water, oil, and the 2 eggs and the contents. Ew, okay. Let's wash my hands now. Now we're gonna put the brownie mix. Oh, we're gonna need my trusty scissors. Hi, trusty scissors. Ew. Ooh. Smells pretty good already. Okay, now that we've done stirring, we are gonna cut the bag and put in these. Good. Good enough? Now I'm gonna put it. We're gonna tap it for a bubble. Now we're gonna bake it for 30 minutes. Done. Whoa. It smells good. Now we're gonna let it cool. Hi guys, we're back. Now that the brownies have all cooled, we are gonna cover it, put our ice cream, and then we're gonna put this caramel goodness on. Okay. There we go. Now that's all cut, we're gonna serve. Yay! Whoa. Whoa. Dude. There. There. Okay. Now it's time to scoop. Whoa. And now we're gonna open this. Whoa. I'm gonna call it a taste tester. What should I call it? Lucy. Lucy!
Yes.
You want a taste test?
Sure.
How does it taste?
You didn't even taste it yet.
Yeah.
It tastes good.
And I think it tastes delicious. What percent is it, Lucy?
I don't know, maybe 100. What percent is it, Serafina?
No, you go first.
I just said.
100? I'm gonna give it 1,000.
Out of what?
1,000 out of 100. Guys, make sure you smash that thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel so you can be part of my unicorn baking community. Woo! Bye. Now that the oven's turned on,
Cut.
Now I'm gonna tap it for the bubbles. Shoot. What was I supposed to say?
Cut.
No!
In 3. Coming down. Stop eating. Stop eating.
I did stop.